So hi, hello everyone, welcome back to our Rich Haircut Professional, the butterfly layers transformations. In this video, we're just going to be deep, detailed haircut video, step by step. We're going to be explain. Let's dive into the video directly. So as you see in the top, the fringe sections and horseshoe sections got separate, and ear to ear sections it will be going to separate now. And that little back portions, it will be as it is, little occipital bone till they're going to be take one more section in the back. So after that we just start to the one length basic haircut. So before that, I'm just going to be explaining the presentation of the sectioning of the layers. Might you have to understand these things very clearly, how we're going to be start to the haircut step by step. And after the hair comb also I'm going to be explaining you guys. Starting to the one length basic. The one length basic haircut is most desirable fundamental haircut when we start to the layering. Finally start to the bottom portions with the 45-degree layers, graduation layers. Step by step, thin section I'm just going to be. Step by step, we're just going to be finishing up to the bottoms, like graduation layers in the bottoms, and that we just hit the pinch of the point of the hair as small slice. We're taking as guideline, and rest of the hair plating. And after that I released occipital bone to crown area hairs. The center profile I picked, and exactly the previous guideline I picked from the bottom, and now I'm just going to be merging that 110-degree layers. Carry forward little longer layers, and it will be lifting up to the more layers, which can be give something more bouncy and thickening look. After that I come to another side. So once that section is got finished, so one other side section is going to same stationary guideline I picked, and we're going to be finished. And both the side, after the finishing the back portion, we're just going to be cross check. So ensure that when you start to the layering, any layer you can just take. Thin section is majorly, it will be give a good effect and efficiency, and uniform layers you can just see the end finishing. Ensure the follow the thin sections that can be make clean finishing on the layers. After that I'm just cross checking. So after that I'll come to the side portion. So before start to the layering, just giving to the one length basic. previous videos. If there is any mistakes or any changes, please let me know in the comments below, will be changed on. So almost side section is going to be finished, and I'll come to another side very soon. Before that, I'm just cross checking. Finally, I come to another side. So before going to be a layer, I'm just giving to the one length basic. After that, I pick from stationery guideline from the back, and rest of the hair going to be merged in the layers. After that, I release the crown section, which is called horseshoe big section. After that, I picked from center profile, and I took the stationery guideline from exactly the crown, and I'm just going to be give it exactly 90-degree layers. After that, I'm going to cross check. Finally, I'll come to another side. Overall hair at a time, I'm just going to be finished. So all the section got finished. Now I'm going to release the fringe portion. Just a pick from the stationery guideline from the back, and rest of the hair going to be sliding slightly shortened and adding the fringes. So that I release all the hair, and before that I'm just showing to the natural hair before the styling. Finally, I'll come to the styling, so giving the nice heat and giving good shine on the hair, which can be visible after the blow dry. It's stylish look and bouncy voluminous look. So as it is following the like spiral blow dry. More advanced layer haircut videos, links mentioned in the description below. Please do check and just try to follow my Facebook page and Instagram as well. And for more information, if you want to put any questions or any training inquiries for a more tutorial basis videos, if you like detail, if you want, please text me or ping me in the Instagram. I'll definitely will put it forward for something which can be needed. So it's really helpful for me, and I'm just getting good supports from all of you, the good likes and the comments and the engagements towards the video. ensure we just upcoming videos we can just get some more advanced and creative layers, try to bring it out. And feather haircuts, I'm getting the good comments. If it is really needed for new technique for feather haircut, please comments below. I'll replay for that and just look it forward for the upcoming videos for different ways. And if you didn't follow my Facebook page, please go to the description and mention the link below. Please check it out there and just follow my Facebook and Instagram page as well. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and do share with your friends for more updates. We will get to the more engagement and such things of concept, the free up concept of the tutorial basis videos. We are putting good energy for bringing in front of you guys to be easy to learn all of you. So that's the regards. We can just put tutorial based videos. We kept on uploading in the YouTube. So please do support us, and we'll be bring to more and more such concept and contents of the videos. So finally I'll come to the crown portion. So last front section going to be finished faster. The last section. So this is complete of the final look, which can be seen very clean and finishing the blushy flexible finishing on the layers. So hope you all understand and enjoyed this video too. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments below. You can just see a lot of layers and the movement is coming very flexible. And the front, you can just see the complete of the haircut transformation, as you can just see very clearly. So most probably my favorite thing is when I release the front forward, and especially the butterfly layers, it looks so awesome and blushy finishing. Any hair you can just, it will become out very good look and finishing will become out very well. So that I'm really happy with that. The end finishing, which can be give to something, it's marvelous look and gorgeous look for us as it is with the client ambience, and apart from the hair looks so beautiful and finishing. So after this, we're just going to be start with the texture finishing. This will be final finish. After that will be complete up to the hand, up to the wind, up to the session. Hope you all understand and enjoyed to this video. Please, if you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. We'll be meet up to the next video. Keep updating for more uploaded videos. Purpose, you can just comments me, will ping me in the Instagram and Facebook as well. I'm really thank you for giving me valuable times. Definitely will bring back with something is gorgeous haircut video, and will come back something like gorgeous video. Until, take care and be safe.